a really crazy storm here right now. Right outside the house. It's really raining a lot. And there's a lot of lightning and thunder. It's a crazy storm. Oh my. Look at all this rain and lightning and thunder. It's really a crazy storm. Do you hear all that thunder right now? Ah! Lightning. Oh! Oh my! It's so loud right now. Let's check on the kids. Oh, did you hear that lightning? I saw lightning. Oh! They're hiding.
What? There's even
They're all hiding underneath the table in the house.
I'll go get this. There's even lightning in their here.
Oh my. Keep hiding. Just be safe, everyone.
I'll find some items that I can use.
Be safe, everyone.
And you do.
Just be safe, okay?
And you do mind that here.
Oh my. Okay. Everyone out there, please be safe.